Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve from MCP here, and unfortunately, I did a video a while ago, actually a few hours ago, but I can't get the audio to work, so I'm gonna make a new one, but I'm gonna explain it faster. So let me just copy this in. This will be bow. So how a structure block work is that for example, this is a structure. You have a structure block. This is the perimeter of how much area it will be taking. These are based on the coordinates. So not exactly coordinates, like how far away is the structure. So we can see that I turned it to 1 by accident, so it only have 1 block. And if I turn it to 2, it goes this way. Same thing for the x coordinate, but is it x? No, it's z coordinate. It goes this way or this way. And once you have that done, you put in a structure name. You basically just put in whatever name you want, then press save. I already did. Alright, so and I named mine bow, and offset basically does practically the same thing, but it just changes where it's gonna spawn. Like if I have originally it was -1, you see that it's -1 blocks down, and now it's neutral. And yeah, and let's just load this in. Alright, so this is the bow of the ship that I've built a few days ago. And then we put that over here. Alright, now reflection. Mirroring is an option on the structure block. It's, wait, hold up. You go to load, it's right here, mirror and rotation. Rotation basically, it might be, okay, never mind. Rotation is basically like this. You have a structure, for example, like this. A structure, you place a block here. And what rotation basically does is that it turns the direction where it will be facing. So let's just do arrow. And we can just save this. Alright, and then press load. And then once we turn the rotation to 90, we see that it turns. I missed this part, but it's fine. Originally it was pointing this way, now it's pointing this way. If we turn it again, hold up guys, sorry. If we turn it again, it will be 180. Now it's facing the opposite way from it was originally. And then, hold up. And then 270 is basically the same thing, just turns this way. You can also turn that way by going backwards, so it will be, if you're going backwards, it will be you'll start at 270 and then to 180 and then 90 and then 0. Once you put it to 0, it goes to the original spot. Alright, now that is a very quick explanation of how this works. Also reflection. This is basically a simple geometry topic where it's very easy for those of you who has taken geometry. You can think that it was quite easy. So let's just place some blocks here. So reflection basically takes the amount of units where you go to a point and do the opposite on the other side. So this will be the y-axis. So we can see that there's a gap here. Then if it's reflected, it will come over here. This block will be over here, and this block will be over here. And that's basically reflection. And that is exactly what we're gonna do with this. So the name is bow. I can't remember. Hold on. So we're gonna mirror on the x-axis and generate it. I think it's 1 down. Oh no, it's not. So you can see that it's originally I had half of a ship. Now I have an entire bow. So that's how I built it. It's so fast and just a few hours, not counting sleep, school, and other things. So yeah, that's basically it for the structure block. You can also do a lot more. It's a bit more than just copy and pasting. And if you have a command block, you can do /execute. Execute your name. I use this command for my deck, and that's basically it. But if you want to involve cloning, I would recommend you doing like structure block, because that will be way easier to use, and it also you don't need to keep typing in these commands. So you do /fill, squiggly line, any number you want, as long as it's not too big, you're fine, because this will replace the block. For example, if you place I'll just show right here. For example, if I place something right here, right, I clone this, just call it dirt, why not? Save this, and then we put a bunch of sand here, and then we place the same thing, we load it here, so dirt, and if we load it, it deletes it. So you guys have to watch out for if you use structure blocks, because it could delete whatever structure that was there before. So can /clone from command blocks, but structure blocks is way easier to use. Now command blocks for this, yeah, you can fill in a large sum of space. I'm gonna show you right here. Again, you can put it at any radius you want. This can be 5, this can be 6. It doesn't matter, as long as you like it, it's fine. 4, then radical 3. No, not radical. What am I saying? And then whatever block you want, I'm gonna just pick stone, because why not? Turn this to repeat and turn it to always active if you want to. You could do it with redstone, but I recommend it. Do it in you know. So okay, deleted, bruh. So you can see here that this placed where I was, right in the middle right here, and it placed. So basically what you can do is you can just go around, and then the stone will keep falling. Okay, maybe it'll be better for me to do a demonstration. I'm trying to really speed through this so I can actually post this. Execute, oh my god, EXECUTE, SteveFred YT, squiggle line, squiggle line, squiggle line, fill. This can be any number. Let's just do 4 this time, 5 this time. Let's do 5. No, not 5. Squiggle line basically indicates where you are, and the 5 represents how far away it will go. So yeah, you can take that into mind. That's 3. Radical, not radical. Why am I saying these things? I think I'm in too much of algebra mindset right now. So let's do this. Now we do stone, and once we have that complete, you see that wherever we go, the stone follows. So this can be a really good thing if you're trying to fill in a deck, or put it some kind of surface that you want. Sorry for the notification. And that's basically it for this video. If you have learned something, please subscribe and like the video, and I really hope that you enjoyed this. And I really hope to see some of you build your ships like this to make it easier for you guys. And yeah, that's basically it. So summer is here. We are almost out of the school, so oops. Yeah, I've been waiting to upload the other video for like 3 hours, so I am really sorry for the technical difficulties this week, guys. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, and see you guys next week, guys. Goodbye.